Hi, well, this kind of looks like a massacre, but I just received a package from Canada, from Aloha. It was too much hassle to cover up the address. No, you wouldn't have seen anything of the package anyway, so I just kind of ripped it off and just kept it here to show you that I opened it, because let's be honest, if I would open this on camera, it would take me half an hour and I would have to speed that up in the editing process. I'm going to film this because I always have done that, and I think it's nice for the person who has sent it to see how it's received. So let's get started. So I see you've reused the box that I sent to you, which is wonderful. I think we should all do that, because why would you throw it away, right? Okay, let's go. Ooh, very, very exciting. Oh, can you, oh, that's, that looks so, oh my goodness. I mean, you can already see it. It's kind of surreal, like there's an actual living cat in here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's a cat tin. A tin shaped as a cat. I don't have anything like this. Oh, this is amazing. It's almost like it's a figurine, but it's a tin. Best of both worlds, if you ask me. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be in frame for the rest of this unboxing. This is wonderful. Look at you, you're such a professional packer. Packaging packer. What's the word? Oh, these are really cool. These tickets. Where did you find these? Oh, I think there's a letter enclosed, so I'll be able to read some more about that. Let's just put you here and here. Yep. Since we're not being able to go thrifting, we're sending each other things. Oh, look. Wow. Gorgeous stamps. I was getting these stamps, and then there's these stamps, which are different. Oh, this is from Daiso, so that's like the Chinese dollar store, Japanese? Is it Japanese? Let's see. Yes, Japanese. Made in China though. Look at that cat stamp. It's so cute. I love it. Really, really love it. I think this is the letter, so I'll just read that off camera. Oh, that's really, really lovely. You're saying that you know I love my own cat, but you're not sure if I like cat tins or stamps. Well, the answer is yes. Anything cats, I love. Don't you worry about that. Oh, and this is cute. Look at that. Playful cat. Cross stitch. Oh, this is great. I love this. Oh, look. This looks beautiful. It says beautiful and it looks beautiful. This is that papyrus paper. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. So these are things that you found in the thrift store, according to your letter. Oh, that's beautiful. I love those. Look at the detail. It's so pretty. I'll put it here. Oh, and more. That is beautiful. These are very delicate. I don't really find these as much over here. I think they're all in Canada and Australia. Oh, this is beautiful. The rose. gorgeous. Thank you so much for these lovely things. I'll just put them back in here to keep them safe. But I mean, this is genius. The way it was wrapped, and I was opening it and then I saw this cat staring at me. So thank you. This is so lovely to receive a box of these goodies. Thank you so much, Aloha, for thinking of me and sending this to me. And yeah, I'm going to treasure these beautiful things. Thank you so much. Bye.